Welcome to The Explainer. We're going to look at some invisible tech that keeps your favorite apps from breaking.
Ever wonder how you can scroll through a massive list of posts without your phone just giving up?
All right, let's look at this through a simple gaming scenario.
So at the start, maybe they've got 500 matches. The list is manageable, everything's snappy. Then, that grows to 5,000 matches. Now things might start feeling a little sluggish.
And eventually, they have a huge history of 50,000 matches. And this is a big problem.
So, the big question is, should the app try to load all of that data in one go?
Absolutely not. I mean, you usually only care about the most recent stuff on a list, right?
The solution to this whole mess is a really clever technique called pagination.
Okay, here's a super simple analogy to help this make sense.
You're not going to hand someone a giant box of photos. You'd show them a few pages at a time.
And that's the whole idea. With pagination, the experience is so much faster and way more efficient.
Okay, so how does this actually work? Well, it boils down to two key terms.
First up is page size. This is just how many items you're going to show in each chunk.
Finding the right page size is a balancing act. You don't want too many requests or too much data.
The second term is offset. This just tells the system where to start grabbing the next chunk.
So for each new page, you just tell the system to skip the items you've already seen.
So why does this simple idea matter so much when you're designing a system?
It really comes down to four major benefits. It makes apps faster, more efficient, and ready to scale up.
So pagination isn't just some user interface trick. It's actually a fundamental for building robust systems.
And this is a key thing to bring up in technical interviews. It shows you think about real-world problems.
All right, so let's wrap this up. Just remember these key ideas to understand how modern apps work so smoothly.
Which leaves us with one last thought. What other clever solutions like this are hiding in plain sight?